Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create Face Mask Mockups in Smartmockups, a web-based app with which you can create professional product mockups. I've created a review video and a few Smartmockups tutorials, so feel free to check them out. And here are some Face Mask Mockups I created using some of the pre-made templates. So I'm logged into my Smartmockups account. Under the Apparel menu, choose Face Masks, and it'll redirect you to the Face Masks page. As you can see, there are quite a few mockups. At the bottom, let me click Next, and I'll choose this one. And if I click on it, it'll open the Product Mockup editor. In the Images tab, I'll click on Upload From. I'll choose Upload Image to upload a logo from my computer. I'll choose the image and click Open. It'll open the Image Crop tool, and I can adjust the size and position of the logo image like so. In the preview section, you'll see how it looks like. You can also use these tools to align, rotate, and flip the image. And finally, click Crop and Continue. And you can see a large preview here. You can click this Edit button if you need to go back and edit the image again. In the Customize tab, you can change the color of the mask by clicking the Choose button and using the color palette. I'll go with this dark brown. I can save the mockup if I want to edit it later again. I won't save it for now. Next, you can click the Crop tool, and you'll see these presets. I'll go with Square, and then I'll adjust the cropping tool like so. That looks pretty good to me. Next, I'll click the Download button, choose the image quality. I'll go with Medium. And finally, you'll see this download prompt to download it to your computer. And here's how the Face Mask Mockup came out. You can check the link in the description section to try Smartmockups for free. Well, hope you found this Smartmockups tutorial helpful. You can check these videos to learn more about Smartmockups and how to use it. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.